Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to change paper size, how to check paper size in Adobe InDesign. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your InDesign document. We can see we open a document already. Now we want to check the page size or paper size. Go to the edit menu, file menu, and select the document setup option. You can open this using the keyboard shortcut key. Press Ctrl Alt and T on your keyboard. Now we can see here the page size is letter. The wide is 8.5 inch and the height is 11 and the orientation is portrait. You can check the margin 0.5 and here not available the bleed. Now and click OK. Now we can see we check the paper size or page size in InDesign very easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.